We're still talking about percents right now. And actually, we're going to take it a little step further. We're going to still start with our basics that we have been talking about. Percent equation. Again, not going anywhere. Percent of a base is the amount. Keywords, is and of. Is that equal sign. Of is multiplication. Remember, folks, that we have three unknowns that we start off with. Long as we have any two pieces, we can find the third piece. So keep that in mind. Sometimes you have the percent and the base, and you can just multiply together. Now we're going to do a couple examples where that is not the case. In this example, what percent of 35 is 21? Key components, folks. Again, percent times the base is the amount. P times B equals A. What percent? We're looking for that. We don't know. There's no percent symbol, just the word percent. We're looking for the percent. That's where the variable is going to go. That's where the letter will be represented. The base we know. Now again, which one? It's a toss-up. Is it 35 or 21? You don't necessarily need to flip a coin. You can figure it out. Of. There you go. That's our magic word for the base. Is. That's our magic word for the equal sign. Is 21. 21 is going to be over there for the amount by itself on that right-hand side. Once you get that equation, hopefully, you should be good to go. That's half the battle. After that, you kick into your old skills, be able to solve that equation. We're going to divide both sides by 35. You technically get 21 divided by 35, which is 0.6. However, you'd like to make it with the percent symbol, which is 60%. 0.6 is a decimal, 6/10, which is 60 out of 100, 6D%. So keep that in mind. Again, key phrases that will really help out. Don't make it harder than it needs to be. We got a survey of 1,650 people showed that 462 people loved math. What percent of the people love math? Yeah, I know what you're thinking. A little too low, right? Should be a little bit higher, but we'll go with that number. Let's see here. We got our percent times the base equals the amount. Percent of a base is a particular number. So a certain portion of that 1,650 would be or is 462 people. Again, it said what percent. So you clearly know at least which one your variable is. Do a little detective work, look to see which one is the percent, which one is the base and which one is the amount. Again, you have that, you're ready to solve using your equation solving skills. We're going to divide by the 1,650. You get 0.28, but again, that's as a decimal. You probably would like to make sure, give your final answer is 28%. Okay. Now, with anything, you have to practice. You can go through a lot of these, and after a while, you start to see how they all are really the same components. Sometimes you might be looking for the amount. Sometimes you might be looking for the percent. Just don't be afraid to read for detail. Circle, underline those keywords, and you'll be fine.